Industrial design was never about perfection. It was born from function, from factories, from workshops, from materials that were meant to work, not to impress. Steel, iron, wood, raw, honest, unapologetic. And today, those same materials are being reborn, not in factories, but in homes, studios, and creative spaces. Welcome to the world of DIY industrial pipe furniture, a place where scrap pipes and old wood become tables, shelves, desks, and decor with real character. This style doesn't hide its structure, it celebrates it. Exposed threads, visible joints, welds, flanges, and fittings, all part of the design. Industrial pipe furniture feels solid, it feels grounded, it feels built, not assembled. And that's exactly why it works. In a world full of lightweight, disposable furniture, pipe furniture makes a statement. It says, this was made by hand. This was built to last. This has weight, literally and visually. The beauty of DIY industrial furniture is that it starts with what others throw away. Old metal pipes, scrap fittings, reclaimed wood, weathered boards with history. Materials with imperfections, scratches, rust, marks of previous lives. And instead of hiding them, we use them. Old wood brings warmth. Metal pipes bring strength. Together, they create balance. That contrast is the soul of industrial design. A rough steel frame paired with a natural wooden surface creates furniture that feels both rugged and refined. And the process is as important as the result. DIY pipe furniture is about problem solving, measuring, threading, balancing form and function. A pipe becomes a table leg, a flange becomes a base, a fitting becomes a design detail. Every connection matters. From coffee tables and desks to shelves, clothing racks, lamps, and bar furniture, pipe and wood combinations are incredibly versatile. They fit perfectly into lofts, studios, garages, cafes, and modern homes. They blend industrial, rustic, modern, and minimalist styles. And no two pieces are ever the same. That's the power of DIY. You control the dimensions, the height, the proportions, the finish. You decide whether it's raw and unfinished or polished and precise. Some designs lean heavy and bold. Others stay clean and minimal. But all of them share one thing: purpose. This furniture isn't decorative by accident. Every pipe has a role. Every board has a reason. And there's something deeply satisfying about building furniture with your own hands. Cutting, assembling, tightening the final joint. It turns materials into meaning. There's also sustainability. Using scrap pipes and reclaimed wood reduces waste, extends the life of materials, and turns leftovers into long-lasting decor. It's not just DIY, it's responsible creativity. In this video, we'll explore inspiring DIY industrial pipe furniture.